Good morning, children. Welcome to Sihori to Pay Center School. Today we are going to start Unit 2. How many did you? Which is given on page number 14 in your textbook. મિત્રો, આ યુનિટમાં આપણે ઘણી બધી એક્ટિવિટી સાથે ખૂબ જ મજા કરવાના છીએ. So, are you ready for that? Very good. But before we start the lesson, children, look at this picture. Can you tell me what is this picture about? Yes, you are right. This is a picture about birthday celebration, birthday party. Children, tell me one thing. તમારી શાળામાં બર્થડે સેલિબ્રેશન થાય છે? મને એવો ખ્યાલ છે કે આપણી બધી શાળામાં જે બાળકનો જન્મદિવસ હોય તેને આજનો દીપક કહેવાય છે અને પ્રાર્થના સભામાં આપણે તેને વિશ પણ કરીએ છીએ અને બર્થડે સોંગ પણ ગાઈએ છીએ. બર્થડે સેલિબ્રેશનમાં તમે સારી રીતે બર્થડે સોંગ ગાઈ શકો તે માટે ચાલો આપણે બર્થડે સોંગ ગાતા શીખીએ. ડિયર ચિલ્ડ્રન, બર્થડે સોંગ અહીંયાથી જે રીતે ગવાય તે રીતે તમારે રિપીટ કરવાનું છે. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sripal. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. બાળકો, તમે બર્થડે સોંગ સાંભળ્યું અને અમારી સાથે ને સાથે તમે બર્થડે સોંગ ગાયું. તમને મજા પડી ને? જુઓ, હવે જ્યારે પણ તમારી સ્કૂલમાં બર્થડે સેલિબ્રેશન થાય ત્યારે આ બર્થડે સોંગ આ જ રિધમથી તમે ગાજો. ચિલ્ડ્રન, when we celebrate the birthday, we decorate the room. Let's see, what things do we use for decoration and celebration party? Children, look at this picture. What is it? Very good. It is topi in Gujarati, but in English, it is a paper cap. You can see the spelling of paper cap on the screen. Let's say it. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. C-A-P. Cap. Paper cap. Now write down this spelling in your notebook. Now look at this picture. What is it? You are right. It is a balloon. Yes, children. Repeat after me. It's a balloon. Yes, again. It's a balloon. Now you can see the spelling of balloon on the screen. Let's say it. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Now please write down this in your notebook. Now let's see the next thing. Look at this picture. Tell me, what is it? We all use this for decoration in our school and at home also. Yes, children, what is it? Very good. You are right. It is a ribbon. Please repeat after me. It's a ribbon. Now let's check the spelling. R I B B pen, ribbon. Now please write down the spelling in your notebook. Now look at this picture on the screen. Children, can you tell me what is it? Yes, you are right. I need not to tell you, you all know. It is your favorite item. It is cake. You can see the spelling under the picture. Let's say cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Now write down the spelling in your notebook. Now tell me, what is it? Yes, you all know, a candle. What is it? A candle. Now tell me, what are they? Yes, a candle and candles. If it is one, we say a candle, and if more than one, we say candles. Now look at the spelling. C-A-N-D-L-E-S, candles. Now write down this spelling in your notebook. Children, tell me one thing. What do we do with candles? Yes, we blow out all the candles before we cut the cake. Let's see it. Chalo જોઈએ. Look here. This boy is blowing out all the candles before cutting the cakes. You can see here the spelling of the candles also. And again in this picture, look here. This boy is also blowing out all the candles before cutting the cakes. And here the spelling of candles also. Please write down the spelling in your notebook. Dear children, now look at this picture. What is it? Yes, a paper dish. What is it? A paper dish. We use paper dish in parties. Now let us see the spelling. P-A-P-E-R, paper. D-I-S-H, dish, paper dish. Now write down the spelling in your notebook. Children, one more thing that we use in parties, that is paper napkin. Yes, you can see the picture on the screen. Now it's time to see the spelling. P-A-P-E-R, paper. N-A-P-K-I-N, napkin, paper napkin. Now write down the spelling in your notebook. Now the last but your favorite item. Yes, children. What is it? Yes, it's a gift. Birthday gift. તમને બધાને બહુ ગમે છે ને? We get gifts from our friends and relatives. Now let's see the spelling of gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Now write down the spelling in your notebook. Dear children, now look at this picture. This is a picture of Pooja's birthday. Let's see it. You can see there were so many people in her party. Okay, tell me children, how many boys are there in the party? Dear student, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can say that there were 5 boys in the party. Now children, let's count the girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can say there were 5 girls in the party. Children, you can see that her mother was putting a cake on the table and her father was there too. Children, you can see that there were so many things on the table. Let's see that. Paper plates, paper napkins, cake, candles, some snakes, and some cold drinks. બાળકો, આવું જ એક ચિત્ર તમારા ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં પેજ નંબર 14 ઉપર આપેલ છે. લેટ્સ સી ઇટ. પ્લીઝ ઓપન યોર બુક પેજ નંબર 14. બધાએ પેજ ઓપન કરી લીધું? Now I am going to read the instruction. Please listen it carefully. Activity 1A. થોડા દિવસ પહેલાં રાકેશનો જન્મદિવસ હતો. તેના ફોટોગ્રાફ્સ જુઓ. હવે તમારા શિક્ષક રમત રમાડે તે પ્રમાણે રમો. તમારા શિક્ષક વાક્ય બોલશે. ચિત્રને આધારે સાચા વાક્ય માટે T અને ખોટા વાક્ય માટે F લખો. Children, you can see the picture on the screen. Please watch it carefully. I am going to read the sentences one by one. You listen it carefully. અને સાથે સાથે તમે વિચારતા પણ જાઓ કે વાક્યો ખોટા છે કે સાચા. Sentence number 1. This is a picture of a garden. Sentence number 2. The birthday boy was in the middle. Sentence number 3. The cake was not cut. Sentence number 4. There were 4 friends in the party. Sentence number 5. All wore the paper caps. Sentence number 6. The cake was on the chair. Sentence number 7. All were eating the cake. And sentence number 8. The birthday boy's father was present in the party. તમારે આ પ્રવૃત્તિ કેવી રીતે કરવાની છે તે એક ઉદાહરણ સાથે સમજી લઈએ. Your first sentence is, This is a picture of garden. Yes, children. You can say that this is not picture of garden, but this is a picture of birthday party. Right. So this sentence is false. Very good. This sentence is false. તો આ જ રીતે સેકન્ડથી લઈને 8th સુધીના સેન્ટેન્સ તમારી જાતે ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ કરવાના છે. તેના માટે અહીંથી તમને સમય આપવામાં આવે છે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરી દો. તો મિત્રો તમે સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સથી 8th સેન્ટેન્સ સુધીના ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ કરી લીધા હશે. ચાલો તેને આપણે ચેક કરીએ. લેટ્સ સી ધ સેકન્ડ સેન્ટેન્સ. The second sentence is the birthday boy was in the middle. Yes, children, tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, very good. It is true because here the birthday boy is in the middle. You can see here in the picture. The birthday boy is in the middle. So this sentence is true. Very good. Now let's see the third sentence. The third sentence is the cake was not cut. Children, you can see in the picture the cake was not cut. So the sentence is true. Very good. તમે પણ આન્સર લખ્યો હશે ને? ચેક કરી લો અને ત્યાં ખરું પણ કરી લો. ચલો. Now let's jump on the next sentence. Sentence number 4. There were 4 friends in the party. Now tell me, children, whether it is true or false. It is false sentence because you can see here his father is in green t-shirt. So there were 3 friends in the party. 1, 2 and 3 friends and his father. So there were 3 friends in the party, not 4 friends. So this sentence is false. Very good. Now let's check sentence number 5. The sentence number 5 is all wore the paper caps. Yes, children, tell me. This sentence is true. Very nice. Because all the children, you can see here in the picture, all the children wore paper caps. So this sentence is true. Now let's check sentence number 6. Sentence number 6 is the cake was on the chair. Yes, children, tell me. Very good. This sentence is false because you can see here the cake was not on the chair. It was on the table. So this sentence is false. Very good. Now let's check sentence number 7. All were eating the cake. Yes, children. Is it true or false? Yes. Again, it is false sentence because you can see here in the picture the cake was not cut. and nobody was eating the cake. So this sentence is false. Let's check sentence number 8. Sentence number 8 is, the birthday boy's father was present in the party. Yes, children, whether it is true or false? Yes, you are right. It is true sentence. You can see here, his father is in green t-shirt. Very good. મિત્રો, અહીં આપણા બધાના જવાબ ચેક થઈ ગયા હશે. અહીં આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 1A પૂર્ણ કરીએ છીએ. આજે આપણે જે રીતે બર્થડે પાર્ટીના ચિત્રનું વર્ણન જોયું, તે રીતે તમારી શાળામાં થતા વિવિધ કાર્યક્રમના ફોટોનું વર્ણન તમે વર્ગ સમક્ષ તેમજ પ્રાર્થના સભામાં કહી શકો છો. આવતા ક્લાસમાં ફરીથી આવી જ એક્ટિવિટી સાથે મળીશું. ત્યાં સુધી આવજો. બાય બાય.